Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers. FutureTrend channel is back to you. Today is 12th of March, and we are ready to present our report of how we are seeing the trading in the most of major currencies in the world financial markets. And today is a really very important date for a lot of traders, especially for those of them who are trading in with the British currency. Okay, so today's first of all is UK Parliament vote on Brexit, and another important event of today is United States economic data that should come from the United States in the form of a United States inflation report. Both of these events are really very important. And for example, if we see the behavior of the British pound, let's say the cable, for example, during previous trading session, you remember in the morning the pair tried to close below its immediate kind of uptrend line located at 29.60, but after that we are really witnessed a kind of strong rebound in the price of the UK currency, and that took this type of currency as high as 132.90 at one stage. So at the moment the pair is trading around 132.14. All eyes of traders are on the UK parliament decision on the May's Brexit deal, taking into account that yesterday during the meeting between the European Union Commissioner Mr. Juncker and British Prime Minister Theresa May told that she could win some kind of legally binding assurances from the part of the European Union regarding Irish backstop. And of course, from that point of view, today's UK Parliament vote could be really very tricky, because it's getting much more interesting, because during previous votes we absolutely knew that Theresa May would lose the vote, but now the situation is a little bit different. So from that point of view, today is really very interesting and tricky day for the British pound. And okay, in case of disapproval of today's Brexit deal during today's parliamentary session in the UK, tomorrow the British Prime Minister should put on a vote so-called exit of Britain from the European Union without a deal. And in case of disapproval of this kind of vote, in this case Theresa May should put another kind of vote, that time regarding the limited extension of the period of the Brexit. So all in all, today and tomorrow should be really very important and this interesting day. At the moment we have a kind of long position at average price of 129.85 accumulated during previous trading session on a drop below 130. Now we suggest that in case of a positive voting on the Brexit deal, of approval of the UK parliamentary of today's draft, we easily could see another 3 even more big figures to the upside. And that's why we moved our target in the price, we moved our target on existing position even to 136, but at the same time we tightened our stop loss, now it's stop profit, we tightened it to 130.85. We should understand that in case of Negative voting on today's Brexit deal. Of course, the UK pound should plunge. We should understand that, and could be back to the lows of previous trading session. As regarding some other currencies, we are seeing at the moment a little bit supporting euro dollar. That's also because of improvement in the risk on sentiment and the rebound in the price of the UK currency. Anyway, here the situation remains quite fragile for the euro dollar. Of course, a lot of will depend on today's United States inflation report. If we see some improvement in inflation numbers, United States inflation numbers, of course, it should lay the ground for another impulse high in the price of the United States currency. We should understand that. That's logical from economic point of view. And what else? Dollar yen, because of improving risk on sentiment, also on the uptrend at the moment. Anyway, still below the level 111.50. Anyway, here the situation remains from a longer-term point of view quite bullish for the dollar yen. And finally, a few words about dollar Swiss, because of improving in the risk on sentiment. Also here we see that important resistance barrier of the highs of 2018 located at 101.29.30 on the now is on the really strong pressure to be breaking to the upside. In that case, probably next level to watch will be the highs of 2017, located around the level 103.30. We witnessed this last time in January of 2017. As regarding some other pairs, let's take a look on the ruble crosses. Here as well the situation under the pressure, the supports under the pressure in the euro ruble 74, in the dollar ruble the level of 75, which is a little bit far than, for example, in case of euro ruble, because the euro currency remains under the selling pressure overall against a lot of crosses, and that's all. Also euro ruble is under the pressure, and in case of breaking below 74 and closing, it could open the door of another swing lower in the price of that currency. So all eyes on the level of 73.90.74 in the euro ruble. We should understand that. And what else? As regarding commodity block of currencies, let's see a quick look on euro crosses. Here we have just one position in the euro ruble, just discussed. And in the commodity block of currencies, we still keep two positions in the Kiwi dollar long one and in the dollar ruble long one, still profitable. At the moment, that's all. We wish you a pleasant and safe trading today, and all eyes once again on the UK parliament vote on the Brexit and on United States inflation figures. Take care. Bye bye for now.